Happy Saturday, Pisces. Let's get into this reading. The Six of Swords reverse says you've been trying to move forward, but something keeps pulling you back. Maybe it's memories, maybe it's fear, maybe it's comfort. Whatever it is, it's keeping you in this emotional limbo, and it's time to ask yourself why. The Page of Pentacles shows that you want a fresh start, and you got the vision, you got the idea, the spark, the whole nine, but it's hard to plant seeds when your mind and your heart are still living in old soil. You got potential all over you, but you need the discipline and the space to make it grow. Now here's the kicker, the Tower reverse. This is a warning shot. The universe already showed you what needed to fall. You might be delaying the inevitable, avoiding a full collapse, but that avoidance, that's costing you your peace. So let the false stability go. You're not losing your life. You're clearing the trash so you can rebuild your life. And then we got the Ace of Cups reversed. You're drained, emotionally wiped, given from an empty cup. You've been pouring into people, projects, and past versions of yourself that aren't pouring back. It's not selfish to pull back. It's survival. The message in this reading is clear. It's time to break the cycle. Let what's trying to end. Stop revisiting what already showed you it can't come with you. You're healing. It starts when you stop forcing peace where there's only pressure. Make space to pour back into yourself. Affirmation for this reading. Let's see. I release the need to hold it all together. I am safe to let go. I don't need what I've outgrown. I am worthy of peace that doesn't come with pain. Catch you next time, Pisces. Peace.